So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So one of the most anticipated pickups, well, one of the most anticipated cars is finally here in the Philippines. What I have here is the all-new 2022 Ford Ranger Raptor. Yes, it finally arrived after more than a year of waiting. So what do you get now with this Ford Ranger Raptor? Well, since the hood is up, okay, this is the biggest talking point with this Ranger Raptor. So sadly, we still get the same engine like you get in the Ford Ranger Wildtrak. So this one's still powered by 2-liter bi-turbo 4-cylinder diesel engine. It has the same power output as with the Wildtrak. There is no word yet if you will get the V6 variant here. The biggest differences now between the Wildtrak and this one, of course there are a lot. You get now a very big Ford logo here on the grille. You still get the C-clamp LED lights over here. The ground clearance is a little bit higher, so you get a new set of skid plate here too. On the side profile, yes, as you can see now being the Raptor, there is more cladding here. And you get beefier BF Goodrich tires. So, I'm wondering, where am I today? So, I'm here actually at the Ford Island Conquest event. So, this is year 6 already. We're here at Arca South when we're going to drive this like crazy on the off-road track. So, there will be no on-road test of this Ranger Raptor yet, but that will hopefully come soon. Going back to the side profile, we did notice a lot of false vents over here and as well on top here of the hood. And for some reason too, comparing with the Wildtrak 2, in the engine bay, there's a lot more space than usual for some reason only. Of course, this Ranger Raptor can accommodate the V6 engine. Like with the Wildtrak, 360-degree camera over here, below the side mirror, and one above here on the grille too. So you get side steps now with their logo on it, and as well the rear looks exactly the same too, apart with the Raptor badge too and Raptor stickers on the side. Finally, I'm driving a Raptor. FYI, I never drove the old Raptor yet. So the interior mostly the same too, like with the Wildtrak, apart with the orange accents all around with the infotainment system and the air conditioning vents. Although if you get the gray one, like the one displayed over there, it's still orange. So I was expecting like body colored elements to it, but they decided to just keep it orange as is. As well now the gear shift is exactly the same too, like with the Ford Everest. So you get the new steering wheel too, exactly the same. There's a dead ahead now. So biggest change too now in the interior is the seats. I love the seats now. There's more orange accents on it and there's a little bit of suede material on it. So yeah, that's a quick walkthrough of this Ford Ranger Raptor. Let's go off-road and go for a drive. So first drive in the Ranger Raptor, and this is my first ever Ranger Raptor drive too. So
going alright.
Fuck sucks pala to, no?
Yes sir.
Malinaw naman. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. Parang you like going rally, left in 2 minus 2 minus, right?
Then those next set of cones will do a full stop there, please.
Where on this cone?
The next cone's in the middle.
Okay. So in off-road mode, sir, you can use paddles.
Yeah, but it's just this is a slow technical course. Okay, then full stop, please.
And then do we fly?
Yeah.
Right?
We'll just wait for the marshal's go signal.
Okay.
Then from here, accelerate about 30 kilometers
30,
an hour.
okay.
And then pag landing, slow down for the mud puddle. So now we're in Baja mode. So,
Okay.
Yeah, it shows in the Baja mode. And then, yeah, we'll turn on the 360 camera. Okay, so when you're ready, go ahead. There we go. Just keep it straight.
Oh my god!
There you go. Just keep it straight.
Oh my god!
Okay, then slow down. Then on the fly, we'll change from Baja. We'll go to mud rats. Yeah, and okay. So here's the mud portion.
Whoa! Just straight?
Yep, straight. Straight is good.
Should be no problem for a car like this.
No, easy peasy.
Okay, that'll hang right. We'll hang left for the elephant holes. But before entering the elephant holes, we'll do a full stop. We'll engage in trail control. Trail control.
Oh wow.
Okay, so here, full stop. We'll engage the trail control, which is this button. And then you're familiar with cruise control naman, di ba, for the highway.
Mhm.
So this one has the same technology but for off-road for slow speed. So now we'll set it to 2 kilometers an hour. So from here on, no gas, no brake, just steer the
Oh,
car.
just here. Okay.
Yeah, so your foot, just put it here on this, onto the side. Okay, very good. And then if you can't see the hole through the windshield, just look at the camera.
Mm-hmm.
The screen. Okay, very good.
Oh my gosh.
Time to test out axle articulation. Oh, we're facing
Keep your hands
the
on
ground
the wheel.
already.
Yeah, sorry.
We're facing the ground already. The last one's a crater.
Driving to Taal be like, oh.
Oh yeah, that's.
Oh yeah. Oh, no.
Sleeping now.
No
Okay.
gas, no brake.
Just let the axles do its thing.
It's so weird. I'm not stepping on anything.
Yeah. And we haven't bottomed out yet, haven't we?
Nope.
So this is what you get a Raptor for.
You can't do this in Metro Manila, but if you plan to go, yeah, this is good. Holy sh!
To all the viewers out there, if you don't realize, this crater is really, really deep. I'm leaning towards one side. That's how deep this is. Gives you an idea of the axle articulation of this Ford Ranger. Here we go. Up.
Upsy daisy.
Oopsie daisy. That is no joke,
Alright,
folks.
I'll turn it off and then you'll be back in control of the pedals, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so you go ahead. Then we'll drive towards the billboard. Hang a left.
Oh, we go through this?
Yeah, so hang hard left, hard left.
Jeez.
Okay, then straighten out. Straight, straight, straight.
There.
Straight. Okay, straight some more.
Okay.
If you haven't noticed, we're banked to one side. Side start test.
Okay, and then full stop. We'll turn on the trail control again and we'll set it at 2. Yeah, so here, no gas, no
Oh,
brake.
okay,
Just
same.
do the steering.
Very surreal not touching anything.
Yes.
Like a Land Cruiser.
Oh no.
So here, we'll just hug the right side. Doing good.
Wait, the whole not here.
This is
Or
good.
half.
Yeah, half.
Okay, half.
Half and half is good.
By the way, this one is really muddy. Oh my.
Yep. And it's nice and steep.
My breakfast.
We're all banked to the left side. As you can see, that is the ground. And the seatbelt pretensioners are active. That's how steep this is. Ranger taking it all in its stride.
Straighten out. Straight.
Wow.
So then here, there's a lot of plants all around, but you can see it on the 360 camera.
That's where the cladding comes in.
Yes. Go straight. Here, look at these 2 white lines. So that's where the car is going to go.
Okay.
Okay, go hang a right. And then go ahead. So here, no gas, no brake, but then just
Wow, we're going all the way.
yeah, it'll climb without any throttle inputs.
So Ford's version of a crawl control.
But with a lot of assist.
It's doing all the work. Except for the steer.
Straight. Very good.
Adrian automatic flashbacks of last year.
Our first collab ever.
Whoa.
As you can see, that's the tippy top of their development right there. That's how steep this hill is.
And it says 16-degree angle right there.
16-degree angle.
Oh my gosh.
So just let it do its thing. Just let it go to the left. Okay.
Now we're heading back down from the hill. There we go. It's nice and steep. How many degrees is that?
22?
22 degrees. Nice. There you go.
And then do the water rating. Here we'll set it at around 3. So here, no gas, no brake, just
So that's gonna weigh this.
Please, Titanic.
Full river. Should be no problem. And if you can't see it,
Holy.
John isn't doing anything with the brakes or the accelerator.
Okay.
Turn, just the steering. There's the water. See it?
Wow.
okay, then we'll go on the inside lane. Then I'm gonna turn it off now,
Okay.
okay? So go back, get ready for the brakes, then okay, we'll go towards him at the end.
By any metric, that is an excellent performance.
I know.
He survived it.
Right, swap.
Made it back in one
Nice.
piece.
Then these two cones here will full stop there, sir.
Oh yeah! That's pretty good.
Fly.
Okay, floor.
Oh my gosh. Nice meeting an old friend. Same exact car that you and I collaborated almost a year ago. So if you're talking about reliability with Ford, this is evidence. It's been going off-road for almost a year now.